you guys like, yeah, I can't wait to taste that. Hi everyone, my name's Zusha and we're watching the Kind Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Today we'll be making mac and cheese. I can't wait to eat this. So first things first, and by the way, I know you guys have been missing me, and I haven't been here doing all my videos for a long time. And yeah, I was going to school, that's why, so I was so busy. And yeah, let's get started. So you guys, I'll take my mac and cheese and my salt, I'll put it on the fire, and I'll let it to cook for 10 minutes. So let's go. Oh, and what is this mac and cheese? Let's go. I'll bring the salt. No, Sky, bring the salt. Okay. I don't want it to make it fall like the last video. No, that is not salt. Salt, no. Wait. The salt is the first one. Yeah, salt is white. Oh yeah, okay, good. So you guys, I'm going to put in my salt and then I'll put in my mac and cheese. Put your salt. Yeah, that's the perfect amount. Sorry, Sky. Okay. Hold this, go put it back there. Okay, see? Right there. Thank you, Skyra. I'm going to put it in, guys. In 3, 2, we put it in. Yeah. Wow. So you guys, I'm going to let it to cook for 10 minutes. And yeah, I'm going to do my stuff over that. So let's do it. So you guys, well, my mac and cheese is getting ready for 10 minutes. I'm going to crack my eggs and put in my pepper and salt. Skyberry's like, I'll be there, well. I'll just do my thing. Oh, Susie, what are you doing with the pudding? I'm cracking it. Okay, good. You know what cracking is? Yeah. Why? What? Wow. What is that? I don't want that. Well, give me one each time. Thank you. I just don't want the glass to get inside. Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Suzy Chanel. Aujourd'hui, je cuisine mac and cheese. So you guys, now I'll put in my sauce. Start now. By the way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Sky, mix. You know how to mix, right? You do? Oh yeah, yes, I know how to mix. Yep, I know it. I don't want to make. My sister's doing my job. Pretend my sister's my little innocent and she's helping me. I'm just like relaxing, looking at her. But I can't do that. I'm here. I have to cook. So you guys, my sister made a little mess, so I'm going to take a tissue and wipe it. So you guys, I have a test tomorrow, and I don't know if I'm going to get excellent. I'll try my best. And if you need help for French, I know French, and yeah, you can just like comments. Are you done? So you guys, I think it has been 10 minutes, and yeah, let's go check out our mac and cheese. Let's go! Yeah, I can't wait to see the results. Our mac and cheese is ready. Look how fresh. I'm going to take it out, drain it before I'll make it. So now let's take it off. So I'm going to do my thing. So now I'll drain it. So I need to put it in the sink. Okay. Thank you, Sky. So you guys, now I'm putting my eggs mixed with my black pepper and my salt. Sarah, I beg you, don't make this glass fall, please. Okay. Put it in the sink. Now I'm putting my black pepper. Sarah, what are you doing? Now I'm gonna put in my salt. This meal is very fast, so I don't know. Yay! Last but not least, our cheese. Scara, I'm so ready. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Oh, I love it. Wait, perfect. It's perfect. I think it's perfecto. And mac and cheese. Is that mac and cheese? You know why it's called mac and cheese? Because it has cheese in it. So you guys, it has been 2 minutes and now I'm gonna take it off. Guys, can you see how bomb this looks? So taste that. Pink. So you guys, this is super easy and this is a super fast meal. And yeah, mac and cheese is like so fast. So you guys, I just added a little pinch of black pepper and yeah, does it look good? Sky, come, you have to come and taste. Okay. I can't wait to taste this. Come, I'm so hungry. So you guys, now it's the moment of truth, and I'm going to be praying. Amen. Amen. Lord bless this food, bless who doesn't have. Thank you for life, thank you for everything. Amen. And by the way, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. So let's taste. Okay, good job. Good job, Sky. High five. Yay! Okay, so I'm gonna taste. I'm so ready. This is not hot. I think if These are for those who made it to the end. I want to taste now. I think you can make this for dinner or breakfast. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, and follow. Sky's here. Yay! Yo. Yummy? I'll pick it up. Thank you so much, you guys are good cook. Thank you. I mean, you're welcome, Skyra. You're so good in this one too. Hey guys, I hope you have an amazing day. And by the way, don't forget to like, share, and follow to our channel, please. And this is the perfect meal for your family. And don't forget to like, share, and follow. Mwah. Thanks for watching.